Today, I'm gonna mail myself. Hey, it must be someone at the door. Well, let's see who it is. Wait, there's no one here. It must be someone playing Din Don Ditch. I agree. Hey, what's that? Look like no one is playing Din Don Ditch. We got a package. Oh boy, I wonder what it is. Shouldn't we open that? That is someone that we don't know, so I feel that we should avoid it. Come on, Puppycorn, it can't be that scary. Well, okay, if you say so. Alright, I open it in 3, 2, 1. Boo! Toad, what are you doing in the package? I just wanted to mail myself here. You can't mail yourself here. That's not great. What do you mean? It means that is ridiculous. Why is ridiculous? It's crazy. Wow. Well, do you know this? What? It's just blah 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 blah. What? It says some weird stuff. Oh, okay. Yo, I want my free money to be sent to bed. What are you guys talking about? Toad, do you have any idea of what we're trying to say? No? Well, here's a hint. Well, let me think. I know. Okay, it's somewhere you go. Oh, you're gonna like me, take me to Peanut Butter Pizza? Nope. Dad, what are you trying to say? Get lost! I hate you guys!